Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. This week has been a tough one. Drought delayed green up this year in western Oklahoma. Fires raged in the bright orange areas close to Mesonet sites with less than 30% of their normal rainfall from the water year that began on October 1st. Air temperatures Tuesday reached 90 degrees or more at 38 Mesonet sites. 3 sites hit 100 degrees, Altus, Tipton, and Alva. Alva started the day at 33 degrees, then climbed 68 degrees by late afternoon to 101. High air temperatures gave us historically low humidities on Tuesday. Humidities at Mangum and Kenton were only 3%. 12 sites had relative humidities of 5% or less. Such dry air provides bone-dry fuel for fires. We hope the rain is falling at your house. Here's Gary with more on conditions leading to our recent fires.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. I'm sure we're all tired of the fires, and I hope by the time you're watching this that you've gotten some rain at your place. We're still having drastic fire conditions. Let's go straight to the newest drought monitor map and see what we have. Well, easy to see that area where the fires have been rampant across the state, western Oklahoma, still in extreme to exceptional drought. As we go to the southeast of there, very quickly we get to areas with no drought in southeast Oklahoma, and that's very simply the areas where it's rained and it hasn't rained. To punctuate that point, we're going to look at the growing season this week, and we can see, again, that northwestern half of the state, in general, less than a ½ inch of rain. There are a few good rains in there, a little bit less than 2 inches up in north central, northeast Oklahoma. But still, if we look at the percentage of normal rainfall map for that same time period, we'll see that's generally from 25% to even less than 10% of normal since May 1st, the beginning of the growing season. And of course, there are those good to somewhat less than good rains across southeastern Oklahoma, but at least enough to keep them out of drought conditions. One of the reasons we're seeing this drastic fire danger is the fact that we have yet to green up, and that's due to the lack of rainfall. I'm going to show you the relative greenness maps from the Oklahoma Mesonet's OK Fire program. This is from a drought year, which would be this year, obviously, versus a non-drought year, which was spring of 2016. If you see the difference in the two maps, you can see the difference in the lack of green in the 2018 spring year and the abundance of the green in the 2016 spring year. And generally, the wheat crop, you can see that very easily. April 18, 2016, April 16, 2018, the wheat crop is still struggling over a large portion of the wheat belt in north central, southwestern, and western Oklahoma. So we have the warmth now. All we need is the rainfall. So once we get that green up, the wildfire danger tends to disappear during the spring, and that's what we're waiting for. Hopefully next week we'll have better news for you. That's it for this week. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.